I'm going to teach you how to photograph glass. All you need is one light and a small setup like what you see behind me right here. We are going to be shooting this glass without any liquid inside it, and then we are going to pour some liquid inside it to see how it reacts differently. So let's go. Now shooting glass is really simple. Number one, you need two white sheets. This is going to act as your backdrop. The glass is transparent, so we may need to create some black lines to cause separation. For that you need two black boxes. I'm also using, for this shoot, I'm using sunflower oil and I'm also using coffee sweetener. Now both of this have different consistencies and it's going to change the way the glass looks once liquid is added to it. To create this shot you will be needing one light. I'm using the Godox AD200 Pro, which is a very good off-camera flash. But say you don't have a really expensive flash, you can always use a speed light like this Godox V860 Mark II. Now say you don't have a speed light but you still want a light in your home, you can always use a lamp such as this, which produces continuous light. As long as you know where to place the light, which I'm going to show you, you can use any light source to create this image. Now the flash that I'm using, the Godox V860 Mark II, that has a model lamp. So turning on the model lamp, we can see where exactly the light is going to hit the subject and what it's going to look like before the flash fires. It is always advised to turn off any set lights that you have so that you see just what the image looks like with the model lamp. Now let's shoot the image. As you can see right here, the glass is highly reflective and it is catching the reflections of the flash that I'm using. So to solve this problem, I'm going to change the angle of the flash and fire the light at the background. The background is then going to reflect the reflection of the flash and it's going to create this clean look for the glass. So just see how the light changes when I change the angle. So I'm moving the light a bit up and I am also raising the height of the light. Now that I've changed the angle, let's take a picture and see how the light changes the way the glass looks. Now I like what the image looks like and it already has some black lines, but if we add black boxes or black cards, the black line is going to become much more defined. Now I might have to change its angle a bit to get that quite right, but let's take a shot and see what it looks like. Okay, now you know how to light glass. You basically hit the light in the background. But let's see how the glass changes when we add some liquid into it. Note that liquid is also transparent like glass, so a backlight is going to make the color more vibrant. For the first shot, I'm going to be using coffee sweetener. So let's pour some of the sweetener into the glass. Make it half full like that. And let's fire the shot and see what it looks like now. Do you see how vibrant the color looks? When shooting liquids, when you backlight the liquid, it looks really good. Now I wanted to try the same shot with a smaller glass and this time I wanted to put some cooking oil inside of it. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so now the scene is perfectly lit. Just take the shot and see what it looks like. So look at you! Now you know how to shoot glass. How cool is that? See? It looks so professional, but it's done in such a tiny setup, which is really cool. All you need is just one flash and you can do it at home. Don't have a flash? Not a problem. You can use these type of lamps. So go out there, set it up and try shooting, okay? Always remember the light should hit the subject from the back in order to get those cool images. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.